Python, the most versatile high-level programming language used for the backend of websites all the way to advanced AI. Being so beginner-friendly as well as endless opportunities, Python might well be your first programming language outside of C#. My name is Ori, and I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of Python as of 2021. This is going to be the initial video of a Python series. After this, I will be posting how to create certain projects ranging from web applications using Flask, using public APIs, automation, and the use of a Raspberry Pi. To get started, head over to python.org, scroll down, and install the 64-bit Windows installer. If you have a 32-bit computer, install a 32-bit. I already have it installed, so I will run the program. It'll look a little different for you since I already have Python, but the process will still be the same. Click on Customize Installation and enable PyLauncher. PyLauncher allows you to select which Python version you want to use. This will be helpful in the future. Enable both Add Python to Environment Variables and Precompiled Standard Library. Environment Variables will allow you to customize Python and use pip install to install different libraries, while Precompiled Standard Library installs the default libraries for you to work with. Libraries are imported code to allow you to use Python, such as PyAutoGUI, which allows you to work with location and macros, or pandas, helping you with data analysis. Now click Install. To check if you have Python installed, type py into your command prompt. If py is not outputting anything, most likely you forgot to check the environment variables option. I'm gonna run a simple script to show that Python is indeed working. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to ask, and as always, stay safe.